How are you all? Are you fine? Okay, very good. I had told you in the last class that I will put for you a class test. Are you ready? Did you study? Yes, very good. Then shall we start our class test? All of you open your notebook backside. Then write on the top class test. I will say the question and you have to write only answer. Okay? Yes. Then first question. First question is, what kind of factories does Mumbai have? I will repeat the question once more. What kind of factories does Mumbai have? All of you write the answer. Finished? Yes. Then I will say the second question. Second question is, how has Mumbai become one of the richest cities in India? I will repeat the question once more. How has Mumbai become one of the richest cities in India? Please write the answer. Finished? Okay, very good. Then the third question. Third question is, write a short note on the transport system in Mumbai. Write a short note on the transport system in Mumbai. Yes. After checking the answers, you get the help of your parents to check, put the mark, and after that, dear children, take a photo of that and please send it to me. Okay? Shall we study the remaining part of the lesson Mumbai? Yes. Already we have studied few things about Mumbai. Mumbai is the capital of? Yes, Maharashtra. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra, and Mumbai has a natural harbour. Then crude oil is found on the seabed in Mumbai High. Then there we have studied that there are a lot of industries producing different things, medicines, then electronic goods, all that we have studied. Then the good transport system in Mumbai also we have studied. The first railway line started from Mumbai to Thane in 1853. Then the local trains are the important means of transport in Mumbai. All that we have studied, as Mumbai is close to the sea. The climate in Mumbai is very humid. Means, yes, very good climate. It is close to the sea. In winter and in summer also, it is nice climate. All that we have studied. Now, we have to study some more things. The places to see, important places to visit, that we have to study. Then the people and their culture we have to study. Yes. People from all over India live and work in Mumbai. This makes Mumbai variety and rich in culture. Marathi is the main language spoken in Mumbai. People celebrate many Indian festivals like Holi, Eid, Christmas, Diwali, so on. But Ganesh Chaturthi is the important festival celebrated in Mumbai. Like we celebrate Onam for 10 days, making Pukalam like that. So, like that they celebrate the ideals of Ganapati keeps in front of the houses. or big pandals are made for that and keep in that, and after starting 11 days they celebrate this festival.
Ganesh Chaturthi is the most important festival of Mumbai. Ganesh Chaturthi is also known as Vinayaka Chaturthi. It ends 11 days after the start.
And the street food of Mumbai is very famous. Have you heard? Pav Bhaji and Vada Pav. Yes, these are the important food items they get in their streets. Very famous. Pav Bhaji and Vada Pav. Many places to visit for the tourists. Kamala Nehru Park, Marine Drive, Juhu Beach, Chowpatty Beach. There are so many. And from Marine Drive, there is a beautiful view of Arabian Sea. We can see. Very nice place to visit. Many tourists come to visit all these places. The gateway of India is near the harbour. The British built this important monument. People from all over India come here to enjoy the boat rides. Then the Elephanta Caves are located on an island near the city. There are many rock-cut temples. Now, shall we read the textbook? All of you take your textbook and we will read the textbook. Page number 243. All of you read together with me.
Climate. Mumbai is close to the sea. So both summer and winter are mild here. There is heavy rainfall between June and September. People and culture. People from all over India live and work in Mumbai. This makes Mumbai rich in variety and culture. Marathi is the main language spoken in Mumbai. English, Konkani, Hindi and other Indian languages are also spoken. Ganesh Chaturthi is the most important festival. Huge idols of Lord Ganesh are placed in pandals for people to worship. Other Indian festivals that the city celebrates include Pongal, Holi, Eid, Diwali, Christmas and Navaras. The street food of Mumbai is famous. Pav Bhaji and Vada Pav are some popular dishes. Places to see. Mumbai is a popular place for tourists. There are beautiful views of the Arabian Sea from Marine Drive, Chowpatty Beach and Juhu Beach. The Prince of Wales Museum, Taraporwala Aquarium, Kamala Nehru Park, Hanging Gardens and Jehangir Art Gallery are important tourist spots. Historical sites. The Gateway of India is near the harbour. This important monument was built by the British. People come here to enjoy the boat rides. The Elephanta Caves are located on an island near the city. They have many rock-cut temples. The Elephanta Festival is held in February every year.
Write the question and answers. Open your notebook, leave one line, then out of the margin, write the date. And the next question. Question is, why does Mumbai have a mild climate? Question is, why does Mumbai have a mild climate? We will write the answer. Answer is, Mumbai is close to the sea, so both in summer and winter are mild here.
Why does Mumbai have a mild climate? Answer: Mumbai is close to the sea, so both summer and winter are mild here.
Next question. Which places in Mumbai are popular among tourists? Which places are popular among tourists? There are so many places we have studied. You can write any 4 of them. We'll write Juhu Beach, Chowpatty Beach, Kamala Nehru Park, Hanging Gardens. Any 4 you can write.
Which places in Mumbai are popular among tourists? Answer: Marine Drive, Hanging Gardens, Juhu Beach, Kamala Nehru Park, etc. There are many other places to visit. You can write any 4.
Let us once more revise what all things we have studied. From first onwards, from this lesson, we have studied the history of Mumbai. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Then 7 islands joined together to form the city. Then the language in Mumbai is Marathi. Marathi is the main language. Ganesh Chaturthi is the important festival. Then the important transport system is local trains. Then there are many places, tourist interest places are there. Then the Gateway of India, an important monument built by British. It is located in Mumbai. Then the important rock-cut temples, Elephanta Caves are there in Mumbai. Then as the Mumbai is close to the sea, both in summer and winter are mild here. All that we have studied. So dear children, you have to read the textbook carefully and you have to study the question and answers, the fill in the blank.
Mumbai. On the west coast of India lies the city of the 7 islands, the financial capital of India, Mumbai. Known as Bombay for many years, the city is famous for a number of things. Mumbai is a natural harbour. This has helped the city to become an important place for trade. Crude oil, which is the material from which petrol and diesel are taken, is found in a place off the coast called Mumbai High. Mumbai has a very good public transport system. Local trains are called the lifeline of Mumbai, and thousands of people celebrates most Indian festivals. Ganesh Chaturthi is celebrated on a grand scale. On the streets of Mumbai, you will find these delicious food items: vada pav, chatpata chaat, pav bhaji and more. This monument, the Gateway of India, was built by the British and stands as a symbol of the city. The Elephanta Caves are recognized as a World Heritage Site, and every year the Elephanta Festival is conducted here. Here are a few more places to visit and enjoy yourself at in Mumbai: Juhu Beach, Chowpatty Beach, Marine Drive, Prince of Wales Museum, Nehru Science Centre, Taraporewala Aquarium, Hanging Gardens, and Jahangir Art Gallery.
Here is a worksheet for you, which is the same in your textbook, page number 245. Fill in the blanks. You have to write the answer there. Dash islands were connected to form the city of Mumbai. Second one, crude oil is found in dash. Third one, there are beautiful views of the dash from Marine Drive. Fourth one, the dash caves have many rock-cut temples. You have to write this answer in your textbook.
Most vibrant port. Mumbai Port caters to nearly 11% of the total seaborne traffic handled through major ports of India. We boast of a Leviathan infrastructure catering to the needs and demands of the maritime industry. MBPT possesses 33 berths to accommodate ships with varying cargo. The jewel of our infrastructure is the large storage capacity we hold for general cargo. We have stood the test of time and conquered the waves with our humongous dry dock, efficient lock gate, and floating and mobile cranes. Connectivity plays an integral role, and our intermodal transport network of roadways, railways and seaways makes our supply chain processes dynamic and efficient. We are the gateway to greater endeavors. To blaze through the Indian waters, Mumbai Port has commenced its glorious journey by developing an exclusive railway line to link docks to Wadala. The Trans-Harbour link from Sivri to Navi Mumbai to reduce traffic. Mumbai Port has also made extensive efforts to reduce traffic congestion. It has helped create infrastructure for Mumbai without straining the city's natural ecosystem. We are the gateway to connect Mumbai. Mumbai Port is not only a pioneer but also an innovator. We are a port that is opening a plethora of avenues and exploring new waves. We are a multi-purpose port. Mumbai Port, E-Port, aligning with the nationwide Make in India movement initiated by our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
हम विश्व को एक सानुकूल अवसर देना चाहते हैं कि आइए कम मेक इन इंडिया.
We have changed to digital, giving our customers a quick turnaround time and a seamless experience, thus making businesses in India easier. We are a digital port. Mumbai Port, M-Port, implementing necessary reconstruction and upgradation to increase throughput capacity and operational efficiency for Mumbai Port. Our proposed Ro-Pax ferry terminal will transport passengers and automobiles to Mandwa. Mumbai Port, Seaport. We strive towards making the world a happier place with our initiatives in education, empowerment and health. We are a CSR port. Mumbai Port, G-Port. Mumbai Port is aligned with the Prime Minister's Swachh Bharat Abhiyan initiative with a belief in environmental conservation. Many initiatives have been undertaken to provide the people with a greener India. We are a green port. Mumbai Port, T-Port. With a lineage to be proud of, Mumbai Port has taken a revolutionary step and opened its gates to travellers and tourists. We have concentrated our efforts to creating top-notch travel experiences to focus the attention of the world on Mumbai. We are a tourism port. Mumbai Port, I-Port. We are a lucrative and prospering port who is growing exponentially. Mumbai Port is growing